Welcome to Zion National Park. We're vacationing as a family for Christmas time, and we've come into the park to take some pictures. It's kind of a moody day, and I love it because we've got some temporary waterfalls that are falling off the cliffs thousands of feet in the air, and we've got some moody clouds hanging around some of the scenery. So I'm going to take you along and we'll capture some of the sights. It's a stunning day here in Zion. Isn't this great? Yeah, it is. It's breathtaking.
I've been in different places, but I mean, this is wonderful.
Yeah, thousands of feet tall, these cliffs and things. And these waterfalls are just because it's rained, the temporary waterfalls. It's just wonderful to see. Every direction is beautiful. I'm thrilled with the rainy gray mood we've got in the park today. My family's not quite as thrilled. They're huddled under a canopy over by the shuttle stop. But I wanted to get a couple of shots of Angel's Landing way up there on top. And you can just see some of the rock peeking through from the cliffs all around. Zion is a beautiful place to visit no matter when you come, no matter what the conditions are. But these are unique, and I'm enjoying it. The rain's kept some of the crowds away, which is nice too. This is a busy national park. I think I read that they topped out about 4.2 million visitors last year in 2024. So it's nice to be here on a less crowded day. Get the camera out and see if I can capture some of this Moody scene. Found another small waterfall in the Weeping Rock area. See if I can set the camera up and do it some justice. I kind of get down on Zion National Park because the crowds are so big and people are just everywhere, but there's no question it's beautiful. The main canyon in Zion National Park is closed to private vehicles almost all year long. To access this area, everyone must park at the visitor center and ride the free shuttle system to any of the 9 stops in the canyon. The clouds are starting to part, and I'm seeing some of the most beautiful scenery as the sun hits the cliffs. There's a waterfall over here, kind of in the area of the Court of the Patriarchs between the 3 towers. You've got to see this. And there are the towers, the Court of the Patriarchs. And then I'll zoom this in a bit here. Beautiful little temporary waterfall from the storms today. Just stunning. Working to capture it on my Sony down here. The Court of the Patriarchs may be my new favorite view up in Zion's main canyon. Our shuttle driver said the 3 main peaks here are named after Old Testament prophets. I believe it was John, Paul, and Ringo, is what he said. Waiting to see if we get any more light to hit these rocks. The sun's peeking through the clouds every now and then. All right, well, it's time for me to head back down to the visitor center and meet back up with my family. They got wet and cold being out here, but I'll tell you what, it's worth the price of admission. Zion National Park's main canyon is inconvenient and it's crowded and you've got to take your time on the shuttle, but it's absolutely worth it. Beautiful scenery all around. Don't forget, you can see all the shots I took from this trip and others on Instagram, Hansen Air Photo, as well as on Flickr, hansenairphoto.flickr.com, and don't forget my shop, etsy.com/hansenairphoto. Thanks so much for watching.
This is our final stop of Visitor Center. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day. Amazing.